The Half-Life Interactive Calculator solves exponential decay problems across multiple calculation modes. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate remaining amount, calculate time elapsed, calculate half-life, calculate decay constant, calculate remaining activity, and calculate percent remaining. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate remaining amount mode. The input fields include initial amount N0, half-life T12, time elapsed T, remaining amount N, decay constant L, and percent remaining. Depending on your selected calculation mode, you'll enter values in the appropriate fields while the calculator determines the unknown parameter. Let's work through an example. I'll enter initial amount of 10, half-life of 10, and time elapsed of 10. After clicking Calculate, the results show the remaining amount equals 5,000 in the same units as initial. The decay constant L equals 6.931472 per time unit. The number of half-lives equals 1,000, which makes sense since our time elapsed exactly matches our half-life period. The percent remaining shows 50%, confirming that after one half-life, exactly half the initial amount remains. This calculator streamlines decay calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.